With 2026 on the horizon, the US wellness market is poised for a breakout. Q1 is your golden window. Stop guessing and use data to lock in these 6 winners with high search volume and massive profit potential. First is the 3-piece resistance band set, tailored for apartment dwellers and busy moms looking for efficient workouts in limited space. Its non-slip fabric ensures consistent performance. With steady Google Trends demand, it's an ideal lead magnet to lower acquisition costs through smart bundling. Moving on, Alvitao prebiotic capsules, made in the USA and GMP certified, feature 60 billion CFU to effectively tackle post-holiday bloating. This high-trust supplement delivers a solid 60% profit margin for your Q1 sales. Also, the glass oil sprayer perfectly hits the calorie control needs of air fryer enthusiasts. Its fine mist nozzle solves the overgreasing pain point. As a high-frequency impulse buy item, it's the perfect add-on to drive up your store's average order value. Now for profits. The music boxing machine is leading the gamified fitness trend. Targeting stressed professionals and active families, it boasts a 57% profit margin. Its viral visual appeal provides the premium buffer you need for influencer marketing and paid ad scaling. Next is the Ezigo Smart Scale, targeting the high BMI segment. It offers 25 health metrics and a 400 pounds capacity with seamless Apple Health syncing. This evergreen winner has exceptionally low return rates, serving as a cornerstone of trust for building long-term customer loyalty. Finally, our profit king, the 8-head Body Shepa massager. This 8-in-1 powerhouse combines rotational vibration with heat therapy to deliver a professional-grade spa experience at home. With a staggering 73% profit margin and high-tech visual appeal, this is your ultimate Q1 revenue driver. Scale your business and dominate the market. Steady trends ensure stability. Extreme margins drive growth. Log into your Doba account now, visit the Video Hub to explore deep dive assets, and sync these winners in one click.